Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the subscribe button before I continue with this video. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna be telling y'all, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do this perfect bun for shoulder length hair. So yeah, if you want to know how I get this bun, then keep on watching.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games.
I apologize for the bad angle. So I'm gonna be taking hairspray because I got hair gel from yesterday. With your hair. So if your hair is really short, don't tie all the way up here. Tie it as far as this back of your hair goes, like maybe tie it back here, if that's how far it goes. Or you can just tie it up here and then. So I'm gonna tie my hair up. And I'm gonna be taking this and this brush. Y'all, then I'm gonna do my edges. I'm gonna do it with this. I know it's a glue, but whatever. I use it because it's really good for my hair. I mean, not good, but like it sticks really good. So I'm gonna do my edges. Okay, guys, so I'm finished with my edges. Okay, so like, when you do your hair, you got tied up. It don't have to be perfect. Then you got gel everything in the back, so like it doesn't fall out. And then do your edges first because later you're gonna be hairspraying everything right here. I'm gonna use got to be glue just in case for the back of my hair. Gorilla Snap in the back of my hair, just in case if my hair falls out, because my hair is pretty short in the back. And I know I'm using a lot of hair gel, but I'm showing you how I did my bun, okay? Because y'all want to know. I'm gonna take the hair tie out and I'm gonna brush everything back because you see the little bumps in the middle. So I'm gonna be taking a long hair tie. This is a headband, but I make it into a hair tie. Okay, so this is how my back of my hair look, and I'm gonna be hairspraying it. I'm gonna take this and just brush it. Get this and tie it back. So just wait like this for like maybe, I don't know how long, as many times as you have, because you can let this part sit first. Okay guys, so take it out, and as you can see, the back is slick. So what you're gonna do is teasing your hair. So guys, how I usually do my hair, I use like rubber bands. Okay, so like if you do your hair like this, right? I mean, it can if it works, but like the thing, see, this will bounce up. So what I usually do is I tease my hair like this, you know. And I usually use a rubber band to tie my hair, but like this, for this video, I can't find my hair rubber band, so I'm not gonna use it. So what you're gonna do is do like this, part it in the middle, like this, open it, and then you can, okay, so open it, part your hair like this. I don't know how to explain it, and then you can wrap it around your hair like that, so like the flyaways will not go away. See? So like cause you know how like the middle part of your hair is the longest, that your hair is short, cause this part of your hair, if you push it up, this part is gonna be shorter, you know. So that's how you do it. So that's why you spray the middle part. The middle part's the longest hair if you tie it up, cause it's the closest to your roots up here. I don't know how to explain it, but I hope you'll get what I meant.
Okay, so Here's my bun.
And I don't really need bobby pin, but I'm gonna use it anyway. It's optional because since like I didn't have a rubber band for this hairstyle, so I'm gonna use bobby pin because I feel it's gonna fall out. Spray my hair. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I just do that just to take away the fly. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. So before you leave, or you make it to the end of the video, before you leave, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. We finally hit 1K subscribers, and I'm so happy, y'all. We finally hit 1K subscribers, like 1,000 subscribers, and right now I'm at 1.09 thousand subscribers, and I'm so freaking happy, guys. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate y'all. And my hair bleach video, if you haven't watched that yet, make sure to go watch that. It hits 19,000 views, and my recent hair video 5 days ago that I posted, 5 trending hairstyles for short hair, if you guys want to know, that hit 1.7 thousand views, and I'm so happy, you guys. Like, I didn't think I was gonna do any good with these videos, to be honest. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification.